Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. We're going through Exodus right now, and we're starting chapter 35 today. In this little section here, with the first three verses, it's talking about the Sabbath again and Sabbath regulations. It seems like God had to constantly remind the people that take the Sabbath and don't be doing any work on the Sabbath. It's like they would forget, and so there was a constant reminder all the way through Exodus. And today it might be the last reminder that he gives. But he says in there, don't even light a fire, okay? And so he's setting up some boundaries, God is here, to make sure you don't mess around on the Sabbath. Take a break on the Sabbath, and just so you know, don't light a fire on the Sabbath either, because what happens is this: you go, oh, I just have to do this, and then I just have to do this, and I just have to do this. He's like, stop! You don't even light a fire on the Sabbath. You're going to take a break from that. So let's read here today. This is taken from Exodus, chapter 35, verses 1 through 3, and it's entitled, "Don't Light That Fire." Moses assembled the whole Israelite community and said to them, "These are the things the Lord has commanded you to do." Okay? These are the things. For 6 days work is to be done. Okay, so that's the first thing there we sometimes forget about. Some people like to take a Sabbath 7 days a week, but God said work 6 days a week. All right? So that's the first thing. You have to work in order to take the Sabbath. So work 6 days a week. But the seventh day shall be your holy day, a day of Sabbath rest to the Lord. Whoever does any work on it is to be put to death. Wow. So God was being harsh with them. And I think he had to be harsh because they were like, if I have to pay a fine or whatever, then I'll pay the fine. But if put to death, no, then I don't want to be put to death. So then they had to take it seriously. Verse 3, do not light a fire in any of your dwellings on the Sabbath day. Okay? Why would you light a fire in your dwelling on the Sabbath day? It wasn't to stay warm. It was to cook food. Okay? The thing was, you were supposed to have your food cooked the day before. So God had set up now this boundary, like, don't be lighting a fire here. No other work is to be done. So, anyway, don't do anything else on the Sabbath. And it's just a reminder for us. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, or listening to you.